2, 1, go. 2 left, 30, through posts, then 5 left, then 5 left, 60, 4 left, 300 over crests, bumps and turn hairpin left, handbrake. Then 5 right, narrow, 60, 5 right over bump, 130 over bumps, turn hairpin left, 230, crest and turn hairpin right, crest and turn hairpin right, 60, 3 left, 40, 6 right, then long 5 right, 100 twisty, 4 left slippy, right over crest, then 6 left, 80, 6 over crest, 100, crest, 130 to 1 right, 1 right, and 6 right, and 6 left, and 6 right, 40, 6 left, 150, very long 6 left, continues 200, 6 right, and 6 right again, and 6 right that lay by, 130 over crest, 4 left, then 6 left over crest, 80, crest, 5 right, tightens, 100 twisty, 6 left, 80, turn square right, tightened corner, be careful, tight exit, then 6 right, slippy, 40, 1 right, 40, long 3 left, tight, then 6 right, then long 4 right, 40, 4 right at rock fall, 300, 6 left and crest, 5 right, 250, 250, 6 right, 6 left, 30, long 6 left, 32 left, then turn square right narrow, square right narrow, 170, turn square right, into long 4 right, then long 4 right, 130, turn hairpin left, handbrake, very tight. Twisty, very long 4 left, then 1 left, then 1 left, long 5 left, continues over crest, 60, 6 left, 350 twisty, crest, 65 left, braking 40 over junction, open hairpin right. 60, 2 right, tightens, camber over crest, and 4 left, 80, chicane, square right, square left, 80, 6 right slippy, 80, 2 left, 40, long 4 right, 200 twisty, braking through gates, 6 right turn, hairpin left, handbrake. I'm very tight this one. 150 twisty, 6 left, turn hairpin right. 250 twisty, 6 right, 350, 350, 4 left, then long 1 left, 60, long 1 left, 60, right over long crest, then long 3 right, 130, 1 right, hairpin left, around the triangle, tight hairpin left here too. Square left, then 2 right, 300, slight right, 30, long crest, 80, crest, 250, bus stop chicane, go to the left. Repeat, go to the left. $170, crest, 250 through dip, crest, then long 1 right narrow. Repeat, long 1 right narrow. 40, crest, 2 left, 4 right, 60, long 4 left, 130, very long 2 right, and long 2 right, then 6 left, 130, twisty, and short 4 left, bus stop chicane, go left. Just on the bottom. Go left. Tight exit, I think. And 5 right, then long 4 left, 40, 4 left, 130, long 4 left, and 4 left again, 100 over crest, 5 left, 170, right over crest, then long 4 left, hole inside, 200, and 300, double crest bump, 80, 6 left, braking 60, 2 right. Double crest bump, 80, 6 left, braking 60, 2 right. Twisty, long 1 right, 60, 2 right, 40, 2 right, 60, 4 left, and long 4 left, then 5 right, 350, 6 left, 6 right, 30, 6 right, 40 to long 2 left. Repeat to long 2 left. 150, braking left over crest, 1 right. Braking left over crest, 1 right. And long 6 right. And 5 left over crest, slippy. Then 2 left, 60, 5 left, 40, long 5 left, 30, crest, turn, open, hairpin right. And open, hairpin right. 100, 6 left, 50, 6 right over crest, 250 over crest, twisty, and big crest past finish, 50, 6 left and 6 right, 6 left, 100, okay.